Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the new feature called Reels on Instagram. This is in case TikTok gets banned in the US. Before we start this video, I want you to like this video and comment down below what you think of this feature on Instagram. Is it better than TikTok, or do you like TikTok better than Instagram Reels? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Now we can start with the video. What you want to do is head over to your Instagram right here, and then to access the feature right here, what you want to do is you can either click the magnifying glass icon right here, and then you want to click Reels right there, and then you want to click right here. I'll show you the features it has before we upload a video. Right here, you see? Right here, you have the same options right here. It says like, comment, and you can direct message it. Or here, you can even hide, report, copy link, share to, or save it. Right there. And here you have the amount of likes and the amount of comments right there. Now to upload a video, what you want to do is click this icon right here. And then you'll be greeted with this audio option right here, where you can add your own music right here. But I'm not going to add any music because I don't want to get copyrighted. Right there. But you can add music because Instagram has licenses to use these songs, but I do not want to get copyright when I upload this video. Now, the second option you have is right here, is the speed right there. You basically have the same features on Instagram as TikTok. But I'm not going to be showing you both TikTok and Instagram at the same time. I'm not going to be showing you that. I'm only going to be showing you Reels. Now, what you have right here is the effects. You have some effects that you can add right here to Reels. Right there. Sometimes you can add the effects that Instagram lets you for your stories right here. Now, you have the timer right there. The timer is the same, so you can start the video and end the video without pressing the stop button. It says right here, drag to choose how long this clip will be when you set a timer there or a countdown before the recording starts. I'm going to clear it right there. Now, if you want to upload a video, you can do two ways of uploading a video right here. You can press this button right here, and then it will be recording, I think, 15-second long videos right here. You see, it's recording right there. But I don't think audio is going to be recording because the sound I'm recording with is probably not going to get recorded too. And then here, I'm going to show you two methods to upload. Here you have your video playing right there, and here you can add the effects or the stickers that Instagram lets you put for your stories right here. And here you can download, and here you have the stickers, and here you can draw. Right here you can draw right there. And here you have the text, where you can add text right here, the same as what Instagram stories lets you right here. The same as what Instagram lets you right there. I'm going to delete it right here because I don't want it. Right there. Now click that, and then what you want to do is you want to click this arrow icon right here at the bottom right there, and then your video is going to be uploading right here, because you can add a title, and then you can add a description right here, and then you can add a description right here, and then what you want to do is you want to click this arrow icon right here at the bottom right there, and then your video is going to be uploading right here, because you can add a title, and then you can add a description right here, and then what you want to do is you want to click this arrow icon right here at the bottom right there, and then your video is going to be uploading right here, because you can add a title, and then you can add a description right here, and then what you want to do is you want to click this arrow icon right here at the bottom right there, and then your video is going to be uploading right here, because you can add a title, and then you can add a description right here, and then what you want to do is you want to click this arrow icon right here at the bottom right there, and then your video is going to be uploading right here, because you can add a title, and then you can add a description right here, and then what you want to do is you want to click this arrow icon right here at the bottom right there, and then your video is going to be uploading right here, because you can add a title, and then you can add a description right here, share to Reels and Explore, or also share to feed right there. And then you can save it to draft. I'm going to do this called test right there. And then you can add this to your stories as well right here. Now click share. But I'm not going to share this one. I'm going to keep it to draft. Now the other way to upload your Instagram Reels is by clicking this camera icon right here at the top. And then you'll be greeted with the same options I told you about right here. If you do not have Reels right here on your device right here, what you want to do is update your app for Instagram. You'll have the same features I told you before. Right there. You can record by pressing the record button right here. And you have options right here. To hide and all that. And here you have the flash and exit. Now what I'm going to be showing you right here is how to upload videos right here. Now I'm going to find a video that I want to upload. Right here. I'll do this one, the one that's 14 seconds long right there. I think it only lets you do 15-second long videos right here. Now click upload. And then you'll be greeted with the same options to upload your video right here. You will be greeted with the same options to upload your video right here. Just wait for this thing to be done. Right there, and then you see right here that right here. Then you have some options right here. You got the timer, and then you got this option right here, which is a line, which will align your video for you. Now you want to click this icon right here. That is to save to upload, and then you have the same options at the top right there. Now click that, and then what you want to do is test, title it, which I'm going to title it I need help right there. I need help right there. You can choose the cover right here, a stock cover right there. I'm going to click done right there, and then you can share to Reels and Explore, or also share to feed. Now you want to click share right there, but I'm going to title it I need help, and then first Instagram Reel right there. For I need help in first Instagram Reel, and then click the share icon right there, and then it's going to be uploading right here in the progress bar. Since it's 15 seconds that it lets you, this is okay, because the progress bar is going to go fast right here. Then you should get a notification right here on the screen that the video got uploaded right there. Then it says finishing up, and then right there you see the video is getting added right there. Now what you can do is this says watching Reels right there. Watching Reels, and then it will say I need help first Instagram Reels right there. And then you have the same options right here as I told you. The heart, the comment, the direct messages, and then some other options right there. Now, if you still want to access the Instagram Reel that you posted, go to your file icon right here, and then you'll be greeted with this Instagram Reel at the home page right here. Or you can click either your IGTV to upload longer videos to Instagram, or you can click this icon right here, the one that looks like a play icon. Click that, and then you'll have draft right there. Now you'll have a draft right there. Select one to delete your draft. You can do it right here. You can select right here and do that, and then there will be a delete button right there. Now you see right there, your video is uploaded to Instagram Reels right there. You see right there, your video is uploaded to Instagram Reels right here. Because it says Reels right there and your video is uploaded. So please like this video and comment down below what you think of this feature on Instagram, having Reels the same thing as TikTok. Please let me know down below what you think of this feature. If TikTok should end. That's it for this video, guys, on how to upload videos to Instagram Reels. Please like and comment down below what you think of this feature of Instagram Reels. Do you think Instagram should remove it or keep it? Please let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this Instagram Reels feature on Instagram. Please like and comment down below. Bye.